Good morning YouTube. Back with your guy here, Bang Redo. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this Dolby Atmos soundbar from Sony, the HT-X9000F. Before we go further, please consider subscribing if you haven't done yet, and don't forget the bell button so you won't miss my upcoming videos. This is a 2.1 channel soundbar system that outputs up to 300 watts to deliver more powerful audio. It comes with remote control with batteries, HDMI cable, wall mount template, manuals and 1-year warranty. This soundbar also features Bluetooth for pairing with your compatible smart device, and wirelessly streaming your audio content. It has 2 HDMI ports, one for input and one for output with ARC. So, I'm gonna be replacing my old school LG speaker with this guy. Setting up process should be easy, just plug and play. And this is how it sounds.
Right now, you're listening to where cinematic audio is bent.